Good morning. Our topic is about finding the area of a triangle. Okay, so a triangle is a plane figure with three sides. So napag-aralan na natin yan. Ang triangle ay may tatlong sides. It has two parts. Meron daw siyang dalawang parts. The base and the height. So to find the area of a triangle, we have to divide the product of its base and its height by 2. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo muna yung base at saka yung kanyang height. And then, pag nakuha mo na yung product, i-divide na sa 2. So, magbigay tayo ng example. So, ito yung ating example. Given, ang ating base ay 14 meters. Itong nasa baba. At ang ating height ay 8 meters. So, gagamitin natin yung formula na base times area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So, let us substitute the value of base and height. Ayan. So, base is equal to 14 meters times the height, which is 8 meters. And then divide by 2. Ayan. 14 meters times 8 meters, ang ating product ay 112 square meters. And then, i-divide natin yung 112 by 2. So, makukuha natin ay 56 square meters. So, laging express ang inyong answer in square units. So, our final answer, area is equal to 56 square meters. Okay, so that's all. I hope you got it.